Pull up in LA with my fucking bro. Coming out of hell, that's right, Tiango. Dripping out my fit, yeah, my fit on go. Yeah, we going up, yeah, they wanna know. Shawty up in Houston, fuck with me. I don't give a fuck, they fuck with me.
So yeah, I don't know if you can see that. Okay, so that's the list. We need fucking 2 cans of clear plastic dip. Got those. We need painter's tape. We got that. Sandpaper. Got that. We need a paint cherry brush, mineral spirits, odorless quartz. We got that right there. We got the screws. Okay, so you got everything we need. But I'm gonna try and make a side skirt and a full bumper kit that I just had an idea for. I'll show you. Damn, it's hot. Okay, so we got all of the shit. Okay, now we just need to go to fucking Michael's and damn, that nigga's big. No, okay, so now we need to go to Michael's and then get the gray for the shading and then the white, or the black. That's the gray and the black. And then some brushes just to do the detail lining, and then it should be golden. Yeah, fuck you, nigga.
I really think I'm gonna make it. Nah, for real. I really do think I'm gonna make it in this bitch. And if I don't, I really don't know what I'm gonna do. It's my fucking time, dog. It's my fucking shot. You can never take my place, dog. You can't take my spot. I don't talk to those pigs. I don't talk to those cops. I'ma always keep it icy, even when it's fucking hot. Bitch, I'm popping like I'm Travis Scott, and I'm on the block. And yo, bitch, he giving hit while I'm hitting to the top. I've been down real bad, but a nigga can't flop. And the first one talking shit is the first one getting popped. I just did this for my fam. I just did this for my pops. If you really fucking care, you would send an airdrop. I ain't playing with your man, he can really get rocked. I just really in this bitch, got this shit on fucking lock. God damn. I told these niggas I wasn't playing. I'm really coming for this shit. So you know what? Let's get it. Did this for my mom, did this for my girl. She ain't go to prom, so much pain, so I put that shit right up in a song. Did a lot of wrong, and my niece, yeah, she on the block. And your girl, she on my cot. Cause a nigga poppin' like I'm Travis Scott, bitch.
Okay, so let's see that. There's the original paint. Here's what the car originally looked like. The paint underneath is like this, like purple with a flake to it. I don't know how close I can get here, but we just got done sanding the whole car. Just light sanded it. There's these drips, but we just kind of sanded them out. You can't really feel them anymore. But now we're gonna start mixing the paint. Once this is dry, I'm gonna clear coat the hood in plastic dip so we can save the design, and then we're gonna start painting it. But yeah, damn, it's hella thick. What we're supposed to do is, and then you're supposed to fill these up because it's supposed to be 50-50 paint and then 50-50 paint thinner. So I could probably fill these back up because it's 3 quarts. So let's try that. I think this should be enough. Way more than enough. Try not to get on the exhaust. My friend did that and it sucked.
The paint?
Yeah.
Paint on the floor. And then I might just put all the carpets in here too. So you can see.
What color? Blue?
Carpet?
Blue.
Not like carpet, probably just like rugs. And then like combine them.
Okay, here's the plastic dip. It should only take 1 can, but I bought another one just in case. Guess you about to paint it right now. Here goes nothing.
I be in the kitchen whipping, I'm so sexy.
Dope saying, get me, flip me, please don't stretch me. I just wanna ball, bitch, don't stress me. If you wanna freak with me, you gotta eat this Nestle.
Alright, put the money in the bag. Cinco on the beat, bitch.
Yeah. Hey, Frisky baller, man. Yeah, cash, that's my gang, ho. Cash, that's my gang, ho. White coupe, white bitch in a white tee. Tell her shawty, tell your nigga to get like me. Now she really down to ride, so she bike me. I be stunned, so no wonder they dislike me. Flexed up, next up, check up. Flexed up, next up, check up. Flexed up, next up, checked up. Flexed up, next up, check up. Hey, Johnny Cash, I'm with the gang, but I'm the CEO. Swimming through that money, got lost like I'm Nemo. And my nigga keep a poly, Dickie G.I. Joe. Tryna front like she don't want me, but you see I know. Cash mode, give me brain, she in class mode. Sport button, yellow nigga, that mean fast mode. Great dope, I be smoking on that thrax, bro. Still gotta get that cheese, and no one fuck with rats though. Flexed up, next up, check up. New whip, sped up, catch up. Applying pressure, nigga, ain't no let up. And even when I'm down, I keep my head up. White coupe, white bitch in a white tee. Tell her shawty, tell your nigga to get like me. Now she really down to ride, so she bike me. I be stunned, so no wonder they dislike me. Flexed up, next up, check up. 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 Captain Benjamin.
Okay, so the car is completely painted.
Washing all over your clothes.
Base coat of white.
Stains can ruin any moment. Get them out with Tide, America's #1 detergent. If it's got to be clean, it's got to be Tide.
All around it?
Stick to the code.
Yeah. And then I got
Huh? First life I was chose. Dirty boy, that's why I don't want to put ice in my nose. You did? Hey, okay. Switch gear on my back, I keep it on me, got my racks and dick. Got her speaking Spanish, ain't can turn into a Latin bitch. She goes on the whip, I got it flowing like a Latin bitch. I like finding things like double G's and selling fat drinks. Switch.
Shit, when I was earlier doing it, we painted the car, got the gray on, and then now I'm doing the line work on it. But everything went smooth. It took about 4 to 5 coats to get a solid coat with white. I'm sure if you did like red or another color, you could do like 3 or 4. But it actually turned out really good. I'm happy with the way it looks. The only thing is it chips, so I would definitely recommend clear coating it. Either use matte or gloss if you want to use that. But other than that, I'm surprised. $80, shit's clean.